JB from Oz here.
Oh, they say every cloud has a silver lining, and this cloud has a silver lining today because we're just back from picking up some stuff.
Where's the key, man?
This might give you some idea of the stuff that we picked up. There's a box. Yeah? This box is part of the stuff. And under this top, there's some other stuff. All to be revealed. So, there's your VFD and amongst the stuff. Box. And a pile of stuff. So, we have scored this header up with VFD for a 2 horsepower motor running off single phase input, couple of steppers, spare stepper, 4-inch vise, milling head with DRL on this quill, and a box full of awesome collets and arrangements. Yeah, needs birthday, but you can't argue with birthday presents like this. It's just awesome. You seem to think that this was a high torque stepper, which is pretty awesome. So, control boxes down underneath, power supplies, stepper, 24 volt, inch 4, mini 24, yeah, so much fun to be had. So the first step from here will be to give everything a clean down. Paul, who was the guy who very kindly gave me this opportunity, has used this as a CNC as recently as a week or two ago, and it's done many parts for him very successfully. He suggested I give it a once over. I'll look at the spindle bearings, I'll look at the ways, absolute clean through. We've got the Kero wash bath right here, so we'll get a good clean through everything in there. But that's going to be a fairly fun little project, I reckon, with the benefit that at the end of the day we will have a CNC capability in my little home workshop. Yeah, I can't thank Paul enough for this opportunity, and this will be the project. Under Siege X3.
Basically,
nice.
Full rack.
Full racks.
Stack of collets. Stack of tools. Oh, it looks like an ER32. Yeah. This one.
Yeah. So I've got ER32 collets at home. We've got ER20, ER16 collet holders as well. A range of gears, keyless chuck. That's nice. bracket strap. Snapping in different tool holders, grinding cup, that's all pretty neat. Face mill, 50mm, indexable, nice. Yeah, it's just absolute gold right here. Yep, grinding wheel. So, we have definitely hit the mother load, I reckon.
Soak these.
So then?
You want to soak these? Just leave them soak.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, 20? 16, 20.
20.
Yep.
16, 20.
Monza. Oh, you left a collar in there.
2 20s. I think that's 16. 16. You're going to run out of these, aren't you?
Sorry, mate?
You're going to run out of these.
20, 16, 32.
32, yeah. I've got 16s, I think.
Yeah.
But you said he's got some as well. But he's going to turn up some point.
I was sure he was planning to keep using those. Which is certainly no loss. I mean, no harm.
There's a whole bunch of those.
Yep.
And then that's a arbor for
Tapping?
for slitting saw.
Oh,
Slitting saw arbor.
nice. Very cool.
Now these guys, different shapes and sizes. And they will all fit. Is it this one? No, this one. No, this one.
They're all 20
Find
mils.
one for that, so.
So there's the R8 collar in the head. Fits this.
Sorry?
There's an R8 collar in the head that's that size.
Oh, okay. That's a bonus.
So if we pull that out as well.
That was worth that much too. So there you go.
So R8 by 20 collar. And all these are 20mm diameter tools.
Well, 7/8, same sort of deal.
This is
7/8.
That's R8.
Oh, R8. Oh, 20. R8 20. Beg your pardon.
Yeah. Sweet. Crazy.
Beautiful. That's interesting.
So the Tormark TTS has a plate like that, which when the collet draws up, it pulls the tool up against the face and also squishes it. So I think in the Tormark they might have a shorter face on the collet, so potentially we can grind this collet face down so that would be drawn up to the quill for a repeatable position on each of the tools, and then automatic or quick tool change using some Belleville washers at the top. Well, can't argue with that, can we?
I think not.
So, we'll be doing back with progress reports. Thanks for watching.